Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction ngayon yung interview ng ANC, Carmina Constantino, kay Professor Froilan Calilong ng UST College of Political Science tungkol sa plano ng INC na maglunsad ng rally versus impeachment. May maganda pong sinabi itong si Professor Calilong na yung rally ng Iglesia rocks the boat in the impeachment proceedings. Ibig sabihin, parang bagyo na magbibigay ng hunos, malaking hunos sa impeachment. It has chilling effect sa mga lawmakers. Okay? So, puntuhan natin ito. Pakinggan natin ang interview.
Should it being possibly a divisive process as well? It already has been reported, Dr. Calilong, that the huge religious bloc of the Iglesia ni Cristo, they're already preparing for a massive rally in support of the Vice President. What do you make of it?
Ito, binasa ko ang mga comments. Nagre-reklamo ang mga nag-comments eh. Yung sabi ng host, si Carmina Villaruel, ang Iglesia ni Cristo maglunsad ng rally in support of the Vice President. Maraming nagreklamo na nabasa ko dito sa comments. Malalo na yung mga miyembro ng Iglesia. Oy, i-correct nyo yung inyong statement. Mainstream media. Very clear ang pronouncement ng INC na mag-rally sila in support sa opinion or panawagan ni PBBM na huwag ituloy ang impeachment dahil hindi nakakatulong sa bansa or it's a waste of time. Di ba gano'n naman ang announcement? Eh bakit yung sabi ng Carmina Constantino, ang INC rally is in support of the Vice President. Ulitin natin ulitin natin yon.
Well, this is something that
As well. It already has been reported, Dr. Calilong, that the huge religious bloc of the Iglesia ni Cristo, they're already preparing for a massive rally in support of the Vice President. What do you make of it?
In support of the Vice President. Bakit gano'n ang pagkaintindi nila? So, hindi ko maintindihan. Inunahan na nila na para kay VP Sara itong impeachment, itong rally ng Iglesia. So, pakinggan natin ang sagot na ni Dr. Froilan Calilong.
well, this is something that will definitely rock the boat to a certain extent. Okay,
Rock the boat, medyo malalim na istorya ito. Sabi, kung nasa dagat ka o lake o pag nag-rock the boat, wala na, malalakas ng alon. So, may matinding epekto talaga yung INC rally. Okay? It rocks the boat.
we would say because, of course, of the kind of support that they will be throwing in at the Vice President and the kind of
Ganon din itong professor, the kind of support that the INC will be throwing to the Vice President. Bakit ganon ang both itong host, si Carmina Constantino, at ang political science professor, political analyst, sinasabi na grabe ang suporta ng Iglesia ni Cristo kay VP Sara. Talaga bang para kay VP Sara ang INC rally? Comment nyo ko or para sa statement ng Pangulo na wag nang ituloy ang impeachment.
kind of strength that they actually possess. So if this is really true, I think it will create some kind of a doubt, perhaps, okay, on the minds of the people, especially because here is a religious group backing up the Vice President with
Again, here is a religious group backing up the Vice President. Kakatawa naman ito. Parang may nababasa sila na hindi natin nakikita. Kasi, alam mo ito, mga political analysts, they read in between the lines. So, pabor na pabor kay VP Sara ang rally.
alleged charges of corruption. So this, I think, will create some kind of a different take on the part of the public, because how come a religious organization as big, and as prominent as the Iglesia ni Cristo will be backing somebody whom...
Okay. How come that a religious organization as big as Iglesia ni Cristo will be backing somebody who is facing an impeachment?
They're being accused of graft and corruption. So there is this moral undertaking on the part of the Iglesia ni Cristo, and saying that maybe Vice President Sara Duterte, for them, as in their eyes, is innocent of this high crime. So
Wala. Narinig niyo yun? For them, for the Iglesia ni Cristo, maybe they are seeing, nakikita nila, that VP Sara is innocent of the accusation of the high crimes. Nakaka-confuse naman itong mga statements ng professor na ito.
I think it will somehow have an effect, okay, in the way the lawmakers will also see this, because let's face it, the Iglesia ni Cristo will always be an important barometer in any elections that we have. And since the elections will be forthcoming in 2025, I think this may have an effect insofar as how the legislators will try to advance the impeachment proceeding.
So two things there, Professor. It's either it rocks the boat or keeps it steady, because no action will be taken given
That's right.
the effect. Go ahead.
That is right. Especially...
Maganda yung comment or tanong ni Carmina. It's either rock the boat, maalon yung proceedings, or keep it steady, hindi nagagalaw. Ganun na po ang balita kanina. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa na-transmit ang dalawang impeachment complaints mula sa Office of the Secretary General papunta sa Office of the Speaker of the House. Bakit hindi pa? Ito na yung sinasabi ni Carmina Constantino na steady na lang. Kasi, nandyan nag-aabang yung effect ng Iglesia ni Cristo rally. Steady the boat. Hindi na gumagalaw, hindi na umuusad. As of now, hindi pa umuusad ang impeachment complaint sa Kamara.
Since, like I said, we're dealing here with a formidable religious bloc, and as we know it in many of our elections, the support of the Iglesia ni Cristo is always a sought-after variable, and this, I think, is something that many of our congressmen and even our senators would want to have in their favor. So I think this really works in the case of the VP Sara Duterte at this point in time.
All right. And as a
This really works. Pumapabor sa kaso ni VP Sara at this point in time. So,